For this week's assignment in Connect, you will complete documents in the Medisoft software, and this will have you filling out Medicare claims. For each of the assignments, you will have a demo mode, a practice mode, and a test mode. The demo mode you will watch as it will show you how to complete the steps in filling out the claim. The practice mode will allow you to actually apply the steps and will give you assistance if you have problems on any step. The test mode is when you work alone. You will fill in the claim using the instructions that are given, and you will submit the claim. Now, demo and practice will not count for a grade. The test mode will count towards your grade. For 9-2, and I'm sorry they're not in order here for some reason, but for 9-2 you have the demo and practice mode and you have the test mode. Once again, demo shows you how to complete the form, practice lets you practice completing the form, and the test mode is where you complete these steps and you are graded on them. Now 1 and 2, I revise what I said earlier. 1 and 2, you have a practice and a demo mode. For case 9-3, you will not have demo and practice modes, as you should be familiar at this step on how to complete the form. So for 9-3, you only have test mode. Additional assignments, of course, is your applying concepts, and I've given you instructions for applying concepts.